Hi, fellow viewers, to everybody. Good morning. My name is Steve. My phone name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, my next acronyms or abbreviations is about health issue. This is about health issue. I have to publish this because this is what they call this. This is already delayed. Every day postponed. Then my schedule was already filled about this one. The acronyms or abbreviations. Actually, this is as of 2026. Based on their medical research, they said they have already cured, but until now it is not yet solved about this disease. Now the question is, what is these acronyms or abbreviations that I am talking about? That's a good question. I'm referring to COPD, okay? COPD stands for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Yes, you heard it right. I know this sounds deeper, but I have to repeat this. COPD stands for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. This is the meaning of COPD. By the way, this is a paid promotion label. What do you call this? Before I say goodbye, this is a reminder to all that please support, subscribe, and click the notification bell for my next acronyms or abbreviations in my videos or reels. Thank you so much for listening this video. Good morning.